Hello, hindi po tayo nagbibenta ng ice cream, pero sabi ng estudyante ko, ano daw, um, i-ring ko daw yung bell before I start my vlog. Para daw swerte, para marami daw viewers and subscribers. Diba? Why not? She's a Chinese, so may mga pamahiin siyang ganyan. Okay, so medyo hindi ako comfortable sa pwesto ko ngayon because I have so many things around. I'm not yet done decluttering my things, 'di ba? Kaya ayan, pero feel ko talaga mag-vlog ngayon. So here you go. Okay, so ano na tayo, 'di ba? IELTS speaking test part 2. Okay. So, what is IELTS speaking test part 2? Here IELTS speaking test part 2 is a short talk, okay? That lasts 3 to 4 minutes, okay? You will be asked to talk for 3 to 4 minutes on a topic chosen by the examiner. Okay, so you will have a minute to prepare your answer, and then you will have to speak on the topic without stopping. Okay, so tuloy-tuloy, without stopping, tuloy-tuloy. Okay, so the topic will be based on your personal experiences and feelings. So your talk should be lively and interesting. Okay, 3 to 4 minutes, don't forget. Okay, so since the part 1, the the topic that we have talked is about giving gifts, right? Okay, so ito pala yun. Sorry. Okay, giving gifts. So to continue, this is the question in part 2. Okay, describe something you did that was new and exciting. Okay? For example, this is the question. Describe something you did that was new and exciting. Okay, so how you will going to answer this question? Okay? So you should say what you did. Okay? Another, where and when you did this, and who you shared the activity with, and explain why this activity was new or exciting for you. Okay, so as I have told you, the examiner will going to give you 1 minute to prepare your answer. So it's your choice to write kung makakalimutin ka, so that you will not forget, and then before you speak. Okay? So you remember that you will have to speak on this topic that the examiner given to you without stopping. Okay? So that is the rule. Okay? Para medyo mataas yung, para hindi medyo, so that your score will be higher. Okay, so how I'm going to speak to a certain topic without stopping? Okay, so let's talk about fluency. Okay, becoming fluent. Okay, so what is meant by fluency? Okay, ano nga ba ang fluency, 'di ba? Because normally the dilemma is that, how I'm going to answer those questions in IELTS, whereas I don't know how to speak English. Okay, so that is the number one problem. And when you read the book without a teacher, so you will going to know that you need to be fluent, right? So, I won't take the IELTS because I am not fluent in English, okay? So let us talk about fluency. Okay, what is meant by fluency? Okay, fluency in speech is the ability to maintain a flow of language without unnatural hesitation by linking your ideas. Okay, so since the topic of part 2 is connected to the topic that was to your personal experiences in part 1, so it's impossible that you don't know what you're going to say, okay, because it's connected to your personal experiences. Okay, so um I will give you the linking words or phrases that will best help you to become fluent. Okay, what are those linking words or phrases? Okay, so using because, okay, using and, using if, using which, using although, okay, using as, using at the moment, okay, but, one, okay, even though, what else, or either, okay, or either or, okay, you can use those linking words or phrases to express your idea in answering the question in IELTS speaking test part 2. Okay, so another question: how can I become more fluent? If you can present a number of well-connected ideas and avoid using a lot of hesitation and repetition, the examiner will find your answer interesting and will be able to follow them more easily. Okay, so I always tell my student, to speak normally, naturally, okay, without showing that you memorize the idea that you are expressing. Although, with my students, we are practicing so many different topics before they go to the IELTS examination. So we practice a lot of different topics for them to practice to speak and develop the vocabulary that they needed if the question will be the same as the question that I've asked. Okay, so speak naturally and listen to English music, watch English films or series or English news that will help you develop your English skill. Okay, so much for that today. I hope you like it, and I hope it's clear for you. If you have some questions, you can write down you can write the comment below, and don't forget to watch, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fashionista Liza Gumatay. Thank you very much. Bye.